exciting product that I really enjoyed seeing today, and that's that OneTouch system you have. Would you mind going into a little bit of description of how that works? Because there's an audience out there right now who's in the collet world. There's some in the Shrinkfit world, but this technology is inspiring. And I would love to take this moment and just kind of summarize for the audience how that works and where it really amplifies someone's precision and creativity, really.
So we started with Shrinkfit technology like 25 years ago. Very simple with a welding torch.
And if I may, there's a full museum of that, almost 30 years of this point, of the Shrinkfit. Very cool for you to see as well. Sorry, go ahead, Herman.
And I'm very glad that I collected this stuff. You know, I didn't throw it away, so we can really show it. And it's also impressive for us. So we wanted a machine, a Shrinkfit machine that makes life easier, because our customers, they burn their fingers, they burn the tools, they don't get tools in and out. It was sometimes a real headache. And then we say, okay, we go to the next step. We got sensors in the machine, temperature gauge and everything in the coil. And one guy here came up and said, can we do this with OneTouch? Because everybody knows the cell phones, OneTouch. We said, okay, let's try it. And so we were closing our engineers away, and they came back and said, yes, we can do it. So I like the story of Steve Jobs and my story about the OneTouch in a Shrinkfit machine. We're not as big as Apple, of course, but we reached basically the same goal, and I love that. And it's people can work with the machines; they don't even have to think about it.
Perfect, perfect. So now that we've excited everyone, now that this interview, I've had a lot of fun. Do you have a website where people can learn more as well?
Yeah, sure. It's that simple. We're making HSK tools, and our website is hsk.com.
HSK.com is the website? Yeah, is it that easy?
Yeah.
You guys and gals out there will never forget that. HSK.com, how can you not be a leader when that is your website? Herman, thank you so much for your time today. I really do appreciate you, and I'm honored to be here and for MTD CNC to be here to share your story.
Big pleasure for me. Thanks for coming. It was exciting for me.